All right, it looks good. And action.
Princes that strive by factions and by fiends.
You guys want to lift your headsets?
I was sceptical, but having that theatre there was because completely forgot anyone was there. It was like we were in the theatre. It was fabulous.
XR Network Plus are here with two projects to think about how to bring virtual production technologies into theatre and live performance. R&D is all about finding answers to questions. And with the Royal Shakespeare Company offer questions that need an answer. It's a big question that whole industry faces too.
We're looking at the new technologies that are available to us. How can we maybe approach this technology differently to business as usual? So it's a really exciting beat for us to look at the disruption and the possibility of what we can do with this research.
It's a very ambitious project because we really are essentially trying to build something completely new that has not existed before. To give actors or directors or stage management superpowers.
What we want to do is put the performer at the center of this technology and to get the sort of human side and the technology side really working together and closely coupled.
The change from yesterday is that each headset has to set its own anchor to align in the space.
Yeah, it looks okay.
And there's controllers.
Bless you.
Hang on a second, I'm going to find a spare battery.
Okay.
So we have all these incredibly talented actors today coming into a rehearsal room through the magic of virtual reality. They're going to put on a headset and be in a virtual space that makes them feel like they are in an actual theater with props and sets and blocking notes, and it's going to be a tremendously cool experience.
But gracious in the eyes of royal robe, keep then this passage.
As part of this project, we took our millimetre accurate digital twin of the Swan Theatre. Our actors have got that theatre space to work in and to work on. When they go and move and actually stand on stage at the real Swan, they've been there plenty of times before.
You might not have the actors on site who you want, and giving them a way to join remotely is tremendously valuable. You might be in a big empty room and you wish you had a better sense of what the final stage would be, or the props, or the set.
My loving followers, plead my successive title with your swords.
We also got projectors up on the ceiling and things like that, so they'll be changing the lighting environments and doing some tests.
But we can just check that the brightness contrast is set the same.
Yeah. Camera is an interdisciplinary research centre. We've got motion capture technology that's in the room around me. How can we take that to help create new effects in live performance and in live theatre?
Keep the bubbles as well, the asterisks on top. I'm really interested in how we can use live data and real-time gestures from humans to create different sorts of video effects. That's really cool.
We can kind of pre-record movement, or they can also be worn by a performer live in the space, and then we can use that to drive different video effects.
This is what's getting revealed.
The main aim of this project was to give the power back to the performer. Sometimes they do a gesture and then there's someone in the back that triggers the effect. It's so rehearsed and choreographed, whereas we give that freedom. If one night you don't want to do it then, you do it a bit later and it still works because it's you that is driving it.
One of the really exciting things is it helps all parts of the creative team, I think, benefit from these kind of technologies. And it's not just during a live performance, it can also help during the creation phase.
XR Network Plus is crucial for our research ecosystem. It means that we can make the change we want to make, and it means that people and our audiences will see that in production.
The real magic is when you've got people and technology and they find a way of meeting in the middle.
Every time I work with the creative people, the range of ideas and things that they come up with always expands my horizons.
Interesting things happen when you have to push the tech.
This could really transform how we do our jobs for the better.